Jamaica, Jamaica, welcome back to Pree Dis, of course, a vibe with Cosmo. We're here at the streets of Barbican. Now, I don't know how to go about buying these things because the last time my parents cussed me about by saying pound of ackee. I know someone have to say that. But guess what now? We're going to go on Pree the onion, we're going to go on Pree Dis because you don't know, so that's how you make the season. Now, listen up to this week's fuel saving tip of the week, which is brought to you by Petcom. Pree Dis. Now, aggressive driving, speeding, rapid acceleration and braking waste gas. It can lower your gas mileage by 33% at highway speeds and by 5% around town. Sensible driving is also safer for you and others, so you may save more than just gas money. This fuel saving tip of the week was brought to you by Petcom, rising to your expectation. Now here the Pree, have you ever dropped your phone accidentally, or even drop it in the water, scratch it up? Well, don't worry about it, because we have some tips right here on Pree Dis. We're going to head on over to Chattabox Repair Center so that you can get, the latest tips on how you can, take care of your phone. Now, Pree Dis, all them BlackBerry users, especially me, because I don't know, I don't really care my phone. Pree Dis.
So, me nah leave, no, me nah leave. A boy girlfriend have to get text with me, no care who angry. So, me nah leave, me nah leave.
Hi, welcome to Chattabox, where we keep you talking. Chattabox is a repair center that caters to the needs of mobile phones, cameras, laptops, and game console repairs. We specialize in the sales, unlocking, and repairs of all these equipment. Today, we will be dealing with caring for your phone in case of liquid damage. In the event that your phone should become liquid damage, we advise you to first remove your battery. Do not, under no circumstance, plug the phone in. This will cause further damage to your handset. Take it into a qualified repair center, Chattabox, in which we will professionally clean and solve the problem. We use stuff like ultrasonic stations and special solvent to actually clean the board. We advise our customers not to handle their phones with wet hands, not to use their phones in the bathroom, not to expose it to water via rain, and so on. Also, as of late, we have been seeing a lot of customers coming in here with liquid damaged phones resulting from them going to these water parties in Jamaica. So people, be careful. Join us next week when we will tell you how to care for your phone against physical damage and cosmetic damage.
As it's our Busta Move Dance segment, and this week we have the dancer known as Young Bird. Yeah, man, he's going to be giving us the latest dance move that is busting up the dance place in Jamaica and around the Caribbean. That's a Busta Move Dance segment. Pree Dis.
This segment is brought to you by Busta Move.
Missing you like crazy. Yeah, man, we're going to take our final commercial break. And yeah, man, we still have the Lime Top 10 Singles Chart coming to, so you don't want to go anywhere still. Now, if you want a party coming, because June is the best month. Yeah, not because I'm born in June. But yeah, man, yard and abroad link up. Pree Dis.